So in this video, we're going to be talking about page titles. What is the page title? Every web page has its own title, also known as a title tag. The title is written in HTML code. Page titles are displayed in different places, including in search engine results pages as the clickable headline, on social media when a link to your page has been shared, in the bookmarks bar if you bookmark a tab, and also on the web browser tab to remind you what page you are actually on. Keyword in page title. To help work towards improving the optimization of your page, you should include your keyword or phrase in the page title. You should try to put it at the beginning of your title for the best results, but it must still sound natural and not spammy. The majority of search engines only display the first 60 characters of your title, so keep it to the point but also relevant. If the title that you have written is too long, it may not be displayed in its entirety in search results. Double check that the title you have written is both unique and will stand out from other results in search engines. How to write the perfect page title. Keep the length under 60 characters so it can be seen on all search engines. Don't overuse keywords or phrases. Use your focus keyword only once in your title. Write a unique title for every page on your website. Don't copy any. Use your brand name at the end, if it's still below 60 characters, to boost brand recognition. Try to put your focus keyword or phrase at the beginning of the title, but keep it natural. And write a title that someone would be enticed to click onto. So here for my example, you can see we have local SEO guide, a 9-part guide to local search ranking. So our main keyword is local SEO guide. We have that at the beginning. And then 9-part guide to local search ranking will let users understand that it's going to be 9 parts so they know exactly what the article is going to cover. So you want to write a title like this so that people know that your articles or pages are actually worth clicking onto. So here's another example. Don't just give your pages one-word titles. Take a look at the title of our blog page below as an example. As you can see, this is the page title for the BlackBrick Training blog. It's called the Comprehensive Digital Marketing Blog by BlackBrick Training. The page title is not just blog, it's actually got a title which would make someone want to click onto it. It's important that you never write the same keyword in your page title more than once, as this is seen as a negative by search engines and it's also spammy to users that are reading it. Optimizing the title of your page will give a good first impression to users, which will increase your click-through rate. Search engine crawlers also pay a lot of attention to your title tag when scanning your website, so it should be relevant, descriptive, and to the point. Here are some reasons why Google is not using your page title. Sometimes Google may display a different page title if they think yours is not suitable. Why might this be? Your title is keyword stuffed and appears to be spammy. The title you have written does not match the user's search query. The title is too long or short to be displayed in search results. You have not specified a title for your page, or your page title does not accurately reflect the content on your web page. As long as you write a relevant title that is not too long or spammy, you should be alright. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.